Folks, I'm in Naples, Texas. I'm fixing to show you a cattle ranch. You ready, Kinsley? Let's go. This 248-acre ranch is best suited to run cattle on, but you've got all kinds of critters that live on the property. You got monster white-tailed deer, hogs, you got ducks that come into a small pond, and just at the north end that we're headed to now, it borders the Corps of Engineers. Let's hop out and look at some property. Okay, now folks, we're down in the woods here. The pasture's right up here. Got some good pasture, but what I want to show you is this particular property down in the woods. It's got fingers going on either side of this little ridge here where the road is, and you can build lakes, big lakes on there. Look how this drops off down here. Now what I'm thinking on this finger here, it comes right off the pasture. You can clear that out as much wood as you want to clear out back in there, and put about a 20-acre lake right through there. There's a creek runs down the bottom there, and with all the drainage come up here, you'd have no problem filling this lake up and keeping it full with this kind of runoff on the pastures. All right, now right over on the northeast part of the property, we're looking at the drone now. You can see in the distance where that lake is over there, that's all Corps of Engineers land running off the Sulfur River, which runs into Lake Wright-Patman down toward Texarkana. Back up this way, this little pine plantation you see here is on the property, folks. So you got hardwoods, you got pines, you got an instant income to harvest the timber off this property and build these lakes.